Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best LED light strips in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best LED light strips that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the OPT7 Aura interior car lights. OPT7 is a brand of choice and people admire it for the high quality of products that it manufactures. This top-rated LED light strip shows why many vehicle owners trust them. First thing that will surely impress you is that the installation is extremely simple. You don't have to be a professional to install this strip. Even the setup is convenient with the true plug-and-play feature. Furthermore, there is a feature of Pro installation that offer vivid functionality, and the fuse adapters are required to be plugged in the fuse box for the lights to get directly synchronized with the car's system. With this, every time you open your car doors, the lights will illuminate. Then there is sound sync technology that is quite impressive itself. With this feature, the lights dance as the beats in your music system plays. It's quite cool actually. So, the wireless functionality, mode, color, and brightness adjustment, and all these features makes this auto LED light strip a perfect choice to make. When compared to others on our list, this light strip is relatively shorter and it is also our second priciest option. However, it makes up for these minor drawbacks with its many other smart features. Moving on at number 4. We have the LEDGlow LU-MC-ADV Multicolor LED light strips. As its name suggests, this is a multicolor light, all set to illuminate the car interiors and will also be perfect for use on a motorcycle. The strip contains 24 ultra-bright, wide-angled SMD LEDs. Since this product is available in 4 individual strips of 9 inches each, it creates a total length of 54 inches and total number of LEDs will be 72. If you ask us, this product can create a lot of light in your car. As far as the colors are concerned, there are blues, reds, purples, teals, whites, and yellows. Now, let's begin the most interesting part, which is different modes. This strip will include one sound activation mode that reacts to the beats and music in your car. Then there are 4 fading modes and 3 strobing modes. Other than all these, there is an auto illumination bypass mode as well that works as soon as the door of the car is opened. Also, this mode helps in illuminating the lights when engine is started or the headlights are turned on. The fit is universal and the installation process is mentioned in the technical support manual, if you want to do the installation yourself. The sound mode is as efficient as some users would expect but is still good enough. And although this is the priciest option on our LED light strips reviews, it is worth every buck spent on it. At number 3. We have the Minger LED light strip, best waterproof LED light strips. Minger makes this LED light strip to provide a feature-rich product at a great price tag, and many car owners will love it. For those looking for best LED light strip for car interior, you can also consider buying this model. To begin with, the installation is super simple. The strip has adhesive tape back, which means that you just have to unchip the tape back and install it wherever you want. Furthermore, this comes with a cigarette lighter plug with a switch and indicator light. Plus, there is a built-in fuse to operate the strip. This one is a complete set of smart LED lights that can work with a mobile application as well. With this, you can control the lights through music, and change the brightness and color conveniently. Well, the music sync is quite amazing as the lights will adapt to the sound of the car and colors will change with the changing music. There are 16 million colors and different tones are available for selection. And one more thing, this product is safe for children. Also, if you are looking for waterproof LED light strip for car, then this is it, your search ends here. Some users might find the size a bit small, but for most vehicles it still provides more than enough coverage. At number 2, we have the Tincom LED strip lights kit. One thing to say here is that it is quite massive. The length of this strip is 196.85 inches, and this is a good thing as there is enough for a wide coverage. This strip works on 12 volts power and is available with a 44-key remote controller. There is a manual that comes along which contain all the necessary information on installation. This strip is designed to be both cuttable and linkable. This means that there is a cut mark after every 3 strips from where you can safely cut and use the lights as you like. In case you cut this LED strip wrong, you can easily damage the entire strip, but this is hardly a shortcoming as it only means you need extra precaution when handling it. And finally at number 1, we have the LU 12 volts LED strip light. This product is available in single color option that can create a more pleasant car interior. You will find it in a massive length of 196.8 inches with 300 LEDs, which means that the car can be sufficiently illuminated. Furthermore, this can be cut and shaped in any way you like thanks to the connectable feature. Also, the installation is pretty simple too as it has double-sided tape. Plus, the strip can be mounted on any surface wherever you see fit. If you are concerned about kids accidentally touching it, then don't be, because the lights work on power of just 12 volts, which makes it completely safe. And this is also a more affordable LED light strip. This LED light strip is not completely waterproof, but unless you plan to use it outdoors, this should not be a big concern. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.